Hello everybody, how's it going? Hope you're all doing very well. And just a quick video here to go over my TradingView setup. I know I've had several comments over the last few days asking how I have my Bollinger Bands and exponential moving averages along with the RSI and stochastic RSI all in one indicator. I also see how when I'm doing my technical analysis videos it would be useful for you to have your TradingView set up the same as mine, so when I'm doing the lessons you can really put the theory into practice and start to do your own technical analysis. And if you have your setup the same as here, I can see that would be very useful for you. And the reason why I use these exponential moving averages, for me they are the best in crypto. They are continuously working, very valid as support and resistance lines, so for me they're the best, but I leave that option up to you. You'll feel free to adjust if you feel necessary. So how do I get these indicators to show? I'll go through that first. So I will leave this link in the description. The link will be to my TradingView page where you can get the scripts from. So here I have the RSI and Stoch RSI all in one indicator, and here I have the Bollinger Bands and all the exponential moving averages 8, 12, 26, 55, 100 and 200 all in one indicator as well. So if you want to have these added to, this process is the same for adding both. Go to the link in the below to the TradingView page, make sure you're logged into TradingView. Once you're signed in, click on the script you want or both, click into that and you'll be presented with this page. All you need to do is click on add to favorite scripts. Click on that, give the page a quick refresh because sometimes there's like a glitch on this website where it removes it. Just make sure it's still highlighted, and also I have decided to leave this as an open script, so you can see the script exactly, and if you feel the need you can change inputs here. For instance, if you want to use a different moving average, you would just take this script here and copy it into your own editor and save the script and upload it into TradingView where you can use it yourself. But personally I feel this is the best moving averages to use for cryptocurrency. Obviously if you're in a different market then feel free, but with that said, once you've clicked on it, add to favorite script, and you'll have this highlighted. Go back into TradingView and click on indicators. You'll click on indicators and you'll see here favorites, where as you've just went into my script you'll see it here listed, for instance RSI plus Stoch RSI, Danosaurus I believe my name is on TradingView, and there you'll just see it listed along here, and for exponential moving averages too. If you're having both, click on it. So for instance I'll show you here with volume, you would just literally click on the indicator and that will add it into your chart here. And once it's added in, here you go, all set up very nicely. So I'm going to go through the exponential moving averages here. I currently have set up the input 8, 12, 26, 55, 100 and 200. But if you do feel the need to edit it as well, you can, instead of editing a script, which I know not everybody can do, you can just literally edit here and type in 11 or whatever and click on save, and that will save. And also you can go into double clicking on the indicator, and in style you can change the color of each moving average as well. If you have a certain color preference you can just edit that there yourself. And also I'm going to go, so I believe that's the main bit of the scripts for the questions of people asking how I have that set up. I hope that's answered the question fully, how I have that set up. I also have edited the colors, I believe here. You can edit the colors very easily by just clicking on the indicator. So I hope that's helped you out, showing you how to add these indicators. Any other questions, just let me know in the comments below and I'll help you out best I can. So the second part I want to go over here is this favorite toolbar, the favorites toolbar, because this is a tool that I'm regularly going into here just to make sure you know exactly how this works. So it's very simple. It's literally just going on to the indicators where you have on the left here, clicking on this sort of arrow icon which will bring out your indicators, and you'll just put a star into the indicators that you want to show up on your favorites toolbar. So for instance if I wanted the vertical ray here, I just click the star and you see it comes up on the vertical ray, vertical line. I don't actually want that, but yeah, that's how you'd add it. So the ones I always use are obviously the trend lines here, very important, the Fibonacci retracements and extensions, the Elliott waves, which is found under here, Elliott wave, and the ABC. I do occasionally use the ABCDE and the other Elliott waves, but not enough for it to be on my favourites toolbar. And also the long position, short position, this is good for getting your risk to reward ratios and the date and price ranges. I'm using those a lot. If you would like a video about some of these lesser used indicators like the long or short positions, I'll be happy to do a video explaining those sort of lesser used indicators in more details, but obviously I'm going to be doing big videos on the Fibonacci retracements and Elliott waves because I believe they are the most important trading tools that I regularly use. So yeah, I could also cover in a whole new lesson video actually how to use these exponential moving averages and Bollinger Bands, because that is an important lesson as well. So I will be doing that actually for you all. And I believe that's this video done. Any questions about any of the indicators on my TradingView setup, let me know. Obviously I have mine in dark view. I like it here in the dark view, but you can easily just change that by clicking onto this settings icon here and change it between light and dark. But I personally like this dark view. It's better when you're trading at night, and it's better for your eyes in my opinion. But yeah, I do have this in darker view. With that said, that is the video done. I am now off to play some football, so have a great evening everybody, and I'll see you all in tomorrow's technical analysis video. Cheers, thank you very much for watching, and goodbye. Thanks.